Whether you are running a busy household or a bustling business, uninterrupted energy is essential. Megha Gas PNG delivers dependable power without the cylinder hassles. With 24/7 uninterrupted supply through a secure pipeline network, PNG ensures continuous comfort for cooking and heating. It's a clean burning fuel with lower emissions, helping protect the environment while enhancing your lifestyle. You only pay for what you use. Thanks to accurate post-usage metering, safety is paramount with low-pressure pipelines and no need for on-site storage. Thousands of households and companies have already made the switch. Join them in embracing the future of clean energy and building a greener India, one connection at a time. Every small change counts toward a greener planet. Switching to pipe to natural gas is one of the simplest ways to cut households' emissions while keeping your life running smoothly. Apply for your PNG connection with Megha Gas today.